Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect PostgreSQL to N8N. All right, so let's begin with the video. The first task is to access the credentials section. When you're in the N8N interface, look over to the left sidebar and click on plus. From here, select credentials and then click on personal. A window will pop up. This will present you with several options for different types of credentials. Simply search for Postgre and select it from the list. After selecting, click on Continue, and this will open the window like this. Here, you have to enter your connection details. Start by entering the host. This can be the PostgreSQL server's host name or an IP address. Next, specify the database name. This should be the name of the specific database within your PostgreSQL server that N8N will connect to. Moving forward, enter your username and password. These should be the credentials associated with your PostgreSQL database. You can also change the number of connection here. Then there's the option to configure SSL or TLS if your connection requires an additional layer of security. Lastly, focus on the port. Typically, PostgreSQL uses the default port number 5432. So unless you've changed this setting, you can stick with the default. With everything entered correctly, the final step is to save your credentials. You'll see the option to save pop up, and by clicking it, you'll securely store your PostgreSQL credentials within N8N, and that's it. So that's basically how you can connect PostgreSQL to N8N. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.